Hi everyone, and welcome to the Bike Creation Journal. I am a friend of Mr. B, I am Alberto Fontana, and I am a professional Italian rider. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to ride a motorcycle. A motorbike is quite similar to a scooter, but the main difference is it has gears. So let's see how it's made. On the right side of the handlebar we have the front brake and the throttle, while on the left side we have the clutch. And if we look at the feet, on the right foot we have the rear brake, and on the left foot we have the shifter. And now I'm gonna teach you the 6 steps to ride it. Always wear a helmet and a protective clothing. They will save your life. First, you turn the key to the on position. Then you pull the clutch, very important, and press the ignition until the engine starts. Neutral means that no gear is selected. When you insert the gear and you try to move the bike, you can't move it. Can you see it? The only way to move the bike is to pull the clutch or to put it in neutral. So, how do we put the neutral? The shifter works pretty easily. If you move it down, you downshift. If you move it up, you upshift. The neutral is between the first gear and the second gear. So, in order to find the neutral, you pull the clutch, you downshift until the first gear, and then you touch the shifter a little bit up to find the neutral. You will know that the neutral is selected when you see the end light turning on. The first times is gonna be very tricky, but don't worry about that. Even as pro riders sometimes cannot find the neutral, so it's okay. Now the engine is on, the bike is on neutral, and we can start. But if you accelerate, as you can see, the bike doesn't move. Why? That's because you have to put the first gear. Pull the clutch and downshift to find the first gear. Now release the clutch gently and accelerate, and you will see that the bike will start to move. Once you gain some speed, release the clutch and use the accelerator to go. As we go faster, we need to upshift. And you know, upshifting is quite easy. Release the throttle, pull the clutch, upshift, release the clutch. Okay, but when do we have to upshift? This dashboard, which sometimes can be digital, shows the RPM. You know, when we are racing, we push the bike to the limit, so we upshift to the maximum RPM. But in the daily life, it might be dangerous, so I suggest you to upshift in the middle. The front brake is the most important one. You will never brake hard with the rear brake. Now, to brake, pull the front brake gently and also help yourself with the rear brake. And now you can start to downshift. Downshifting again is easy. Pull the clutch, downshift, but this time release the clutch gently in order to keep the bike stable. As you keep braking, keep downshifting until the first gear. And just before stopping the bike, pull the clutch and stop the bike. Now, as I taught you in the second step, find a neutral, shut down the bike, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson with me. Now, take some practice, enjoy the ride, and see you in the next video.